probably have 80 to 100 storage buildings on site. Most people actually special order the sheds. For every stock shed that we sell, we probably sell 3 special orders.
There's a lot of different options for people now for sheds.
They can be basic sheds that people just use for their rakes and shovels and wheelbarrows and lawnmowers.
You can insulate them if you want to. You can add shelvings, lofts. People come in a lot and show us their classic cars, and they show us what they want to put them in. And some people use it for offices now because of COVID.
Other people would prefer their sheds to look more like their house. So there's a variety of options that you can apply on any of these sheds. Nice thing about ordering is you get to choose your base color, your trim color, your roof color.
They can add windows, delete windows, add transom dormers to make it look like a little house. So it gets exciting because we want it to look very aesthetically pleasing.
We bring our shed fully assembled to the site where the shed is going. For smaller sheds, if the ground is fairly flat, there needs to be no site preparation. We can level the shed on existing fairly level ground. But if there's a slope or a hill, then sometimes we need to bring in some crushed stone and make a flat and level site for the shed to set on and allow for proper drainage and access. We provide that service, and I'd say that 70% of the people want a good, solid foundation underneath their new building. All the employees know the process, and they can get a sense of what the customer needs and is looking for and walk them through the process so that in the end, the customer knows what they're getting, they're happy with their choice, and we don't have dissatisfied customers when it comes to the shed being delivered to their backyard. They're always ecstatic about it. So whether you want it plain or fancy, we're able to provide